message. Saturday, February 3rd, 9:12 p.m. Hear this. I know you're checking your messages, I can tell. Right now, 10 after 9. And since now you've tortured me all day and night. You better call me back if you want any chance of ever working this out with me. I swear to God, I've done every thing that I could possibly do. So are you happy? Are you happy? Or you just go out there and close it up on your own? Okay? Because I came over to see you and you denied seeing me again. Again. Means something, but obviously it doesn't. So you can have a good time out at a bar, but I'll tell you what, if you're there, don't ever call me again.